Hi, friends. Welcome to Math Session 4 in Lesson 15. And this is a review from Monday and Tuesday's work. So I am going to have you pause your screen, try to do the activity on your own, and then press play to check your work. On this first page, they are subtracting, they are making a 10 to subtract, counting down. So keep that in mind as you start. So go ahead and hit pause now. All right, so to check your answers up here in the sample problem, they did 16 minus 7, and to get to 7, they took away 6, and then they took away 1 more. That makes 7. So 16 minus 7 is 9. All right, our very first one on our own, 14 minus 9 equals. They started with 14. They jumped down to 10. They counted that that was 4 places. And then they knew from the number bond that they still had 5 more jumps to make. And I know that 10 minus 5 is 5. That is 5 jumps. So if you add 4 jumps plus 5 jumps, that's 9 jumps altogether. And 14 minus 9 equals 5. Very good. Okay, number 2 at the bottom. Remember, you can pause this anytime. All right, so we're finding 13 minus 9. We start at 13 and we first have to get to 10. How many jumps was that? That was 3. So we took 3 out of that 9, but we still have more to go. And you should know that 3 plus 6 is 9. So we jumped 6 more places, and that brought us down to 4. So if we add up 3 jumps plus 6 jumps, that is our total of 9 jumps, and our answer is 4. 13 minus 9 equals 4. Okay, on this one, we have to actually fill out the number path. So as usual, I am going to count backwards. That wasn't a very good 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Remember, I always want you to show your work, because if you just show me the answer, then I can't see what's going on in your brain. All right, so we're going to start at 17, and we are immediately going to jump down to 10. Wow, that's a big jump. And if you counted your moves, you would know that this is 7. So I already took 7 out of 8. And you should know that 8 minus 7 is 1. I have 1 more jump to make, and there it is. So 1 jump there plus 7 jumps there is our total of 8. So 17 minus 9, 17 minus 8 is 9. We landed on 9. All right. Number 4, 15 minus 6. They don't give us anything here. So 15 minus 6, I know that I'm going to challenge you guys a little bit here. I know that to get to 10, I have to jump 5, because 15 minus 5 is 10, just like what we used to do. And then there's 1 here to finish the number bond. Okay, so 10 minus 1 more is 9. 15 minus 6 is 9. I hope this looks familiar when we had to make a 10. All right. So we start at 17. How many jumps do we have to get to 10? We have to make 7 jumps to get to 10. 17 minus 7 is 10. And I have to finish this number bond. 9 minus 7 is 2. So 10 minus 2, we're still doing subtraction, we're not adding. And 10 take away 2 is 8. So friends, if you did the number path here, you are totally fine. This is just a shortcut from our other math from before. You solve it however you want to on this one. All right, so here's our practice paper. "15 minus 8, 15 to 10 is 5. So we're taking 5 out of 15. That leaves us 3. 10, 15 minus 5 is 10. Boop. And we still have 3 more to go. 1, 2, 3. And our answer is 7. Last one on this page, 16 minus 8. We start at 16. We have to get to 10. That's 6 jumps. So I've already taken 6 out because 16 minus 6 is 10. I have 2 more to finish the number bond, but I'm still subtracting. 10 minus 2 is 8. So 16 minus 8 is 8. And you might have already recognized that because 8 is a double. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Okay. And this is the very last page. 12 minus 8. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3. We start at 12. And we have to get to 10. How many times did we move? We jumped twice. So 12 minus 2 is 10, and that's where we're at right now, but we have to finish our number bond. This is 6. We still have 6 more jumps we need to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're ending up on 4. So 6 jumps plus 2 jumps is 8 jumps. 12 minus 8 equals 4. Whew, lots of work. Okay, so you can draw your number path here if you want to. You can draw your number path here if you want to, or we can just make a 10 to subtract. I'm going to make a 10 to subtract. So how many jumps from 13 to get to 10? It's 3. Let's finish the number bond. 3 plus 4 is 7, or 7 minus 3 is 4. Circle your 13 minus 3. 13 minus 3 is 10. We're not done. We still have to subtract 4. 10 minus 4 is, you should already know that it is 6, and 6 is our answer. And our last one, again, you can draw a number path here if you want to. I'm going to show you the shorter cut. So we start at 11. How many jumps to get to 10? It's just 1. 1 jump to get to 10 because 11 minus 1 is 10. But we have to finish the number bond. 7 minus 1 is 6. So we still have to subtract 10 minus 6, and 10 minus 6, you should remember, is 4. So that means that 11 minus 7 equals 4. Nice job, friends. Remember, you can rewind to continue to correct your paper, and I will see you on the next lesson. Have a great day.